Hey, welcome LoveLiveSave. In today's deal video, we're going to go over some super cheap Dollar General cleaning supplies couponing deals that you can do to stock up this Saturday, October 7th. Now, before we get started, don't forget, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. I post 2 Dollar General couponing deal videos every day of the week, usually around 7:30 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because it means a lot to me that I help you to save as much money as you possibly can. And this month actually marks my 3-year anniversary since I first started LoveLiveSave. Really hard to believe for me. And I have a lot of really fun stuff planned for the rest of the month, and I don't want you to miss out. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Now, if you enjoyed today's deals, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment and tap on that thumbs up like button on today's deal video. It makes a huge difference for my channel. It's a great way to support my work here at LoveLiveSave, and it is greatly appreciated. Now, for tonight's question, I want you to take a moment and leave me a comment down below. I want to know, what is your favorite thing that you've been able to coupon over the last month or so? For me, definitely it has been the Dawn Power Wash, because that is one couponing item that I use on a constant basis. So saving a lot on it really does help make a difference. And I have been working on my toilet paper stockpile, and I am becoming quite proud of it because it's something I've always struggled to remember to stock up on. So I am really excited that I've finally been able to do it. So I want to know, what's your favorite thing that you've been able to coupon over the last month? Make sure you share this video with all your friends and family members too that want to learn how to coupon, or maybe they just want to learn to save a little bit of extra money here and there, because we could also use a little bit of extra savings, right? That way I can get these deals out to them and help them too. Plus, I would really appreciate if you shared the video. It really does help me out. Oh, and one more thing. If you're interested in my brand new 100-page couponing planner book full of couponing planner pages that are going to make writing out your couponing deals so much easier, I am going to have the information down below in the video description as well as in the comments section. It is finally available over on Amazon, and I am super proud of it. This is a project that I've been wanting to work on since I first designed these couponing planner pages nearly 3 years ago when I first started LoveLiveSave. I always wanted to see it in a book format, and it is finally available. So if you're interested in checking out, make sure you look in the video description as well as in the comment section. And if you've already purchased one, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And I would love it if you would take a moment and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of it and how it ended up turning out. I would love your feedback. Now let's get started with these deals, because I'm really excited for the cleaning supplies deals this week. Now, if you've been following my channel for a while, you know one of my biggest priorities with my own couponing stockpile is to replenish my dishwasher pod stockpile, because the last couple of years have really taken a hit on it and I'm getting really low. And with the holidays coming up, I really need to replenish. So for this deal, grab 1 tub of the Cascade Platinum packs, 2 of the Finish Jet Dry Cleaners, awesome product by the way, 1 of the small size bottles of Dawn Easy Squeeze dish soap, and 1 Airwick oil warmer. After all coupons, total out of pocket comes down to just $14 even plus tax for a 50% off savings, which isn't bad when you consider $11.25 of this deal are just those Cascade Platinum packs alone. So it's a great deal. Plus, I have a little bit of an extra goodiness here for you. If you do this deal, make sure you save your bottle of the Dawn Easy Squeeze dish soap. Get it really thoroughly rinsed out, let it dry, peel off the labels if you want, and you could totally reuse it. I've been refilling my bottle for probably the better part of the last year or so, and it has been working great. It's a really great way to reuse a product instead of throwing it in the trash. Now, this next deal serves as a personal reminder to me that I need to go down my stockpile and get more toilet bowl cleaner, because I've been out for the better part of the last week or so, and I've been avoiding going down to my stockpile. So, mental note to future Mandy, go get your toilet bowl cleaner. But moving on, for this deal, grab 2 bottles of the Clorox toilet bowl cleaners, 1 bag of Tide Power Pods, and then 1 small bag of regular Tide Pods and 1 small bag of Gain Flings. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.95 plus tax for a 53% off savings. I also want to make sure I add here, this $2 off to Clorox coupon, definitely take a moment and click on it and investigate what all attaches to, because I promise you it is way more than just the average Clorox. And there's 2 different Clorox coupons, so make sure you double check both of them. One of them, or at least one of them, also applies to the Pine Sol cleaners. It applies to bleach. I mean, it's a really great coupon, so definitely make sure you double check. Speaking of Clorox bleach, I have a fantastic deal for you to do to really stock up on it, especially with cold and flu cootie season. If you have kiddos around, you know you got to stock up on the Clorox bleach so you can properly disinfect all the toys because it is coming, I promise. So for this deal, grab 4 of the 43-ounce size bottles of Clorox bleach and then one of the 2-count packs of Febreze plug-in refills. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12 even plus tax for a 54% off savings. This is a great deal to really build up your bleach stockpile because the cooties are never ending in my house. So I have to confess something. Funny story about this next deal. You know how they have 2 different sizes of the Downy Rinse and Refresh? Over the last several weeks, if not month or so, I've always tried to work in the small bottle of the Downy Rinse and Refresh into my deals whenever we have the coupons for them. And I always say, make sure you get the small size bottle for $6.95. Well, it wasn't until today that I realized the entire time I was actually using the photo of the big bottle, and no one told me. I was like, the whole time. Oh, so embarrassing. I got it all fixed though. So for this deal, we're going to get both sizes. So grab one of the big size bottles of Downy Rinse and Refresh for $12.95 and then the small bottle for $6.95. And then grab one of the Colgate Optic White Pro toothpaste. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.15 plus tax for a 59% off savings. Moving on. For this next deal, I definitely have a rather big disclaimer. For some odd reason, about 2 days ago, Dollar General stopped letting the 4 off of 2 Vaseline coupon attached to the $4 size bottles. I've had a lot of people say, that's what happens with glitches, but I promise you, this was not a glitch. There's literally zero reason for this coupon not to be attaching. I don't know what happened, if they were having problems with the coupon, so they took it off to fix it. But either way, I'm going to have information down below in the video description. If you still want to do this deal, I highly encourage you to do it because, like I said, there's zero reason for this not to be working. And there is a number and or an email address that you can contact Dollar General after the fact when you make your purchase to contact them to get reimbursed for that coupon. Highly encourage you to do that. So for this next deal, grab 3 bottles of the Finish Jet Dry Cleaners because we have 3 different coupons, 2 bottles of Vaseline lotion, and 1 bottle of Nivea lotion. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.10 plus tax for a 61% off savings. Now, I also want to add, I refuse to rework all of my deals in this week's deal videos because, like I said, there is no reason for this Vaseline coupon not to be working. So I highly encourage you contact them and get reimbursed. In our next deal, grab 1 bag of Tide Power Pods, one of the 35-count tubs of Lysol disinfecting wipes, 1 can of the Lysol air sanitizer, and again, 1 bottle of Finish Jet Dry Cleaner. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.50 plus tax for an easy 55% off savings. I have to admit with y'all, I was not happy with Dollar General this week. Not only the Vaseline coupon debacle, but I was super excited when I originally saw the BOGO Brawny Paper Towels coupon, and I started working it into a lot of my deals, only to realize that they gave us a coupon that was only good for like 2 or 3 days, and it expired midweek, which I think is awful. Like, they have to know that the majority of us, waiting to coupon until Saturday. They should have made it last until then. I'm so bummed. But I got it fixed, and it's a great opportunity to add a couple rolls into your stockpile. So for this deal, grab one of the 2-count packs of Febreze Small Spaces, a 2-count pack of Brawny Paper Towels, one of those big bottles of Downy Fabric Softener. You could totally substitute this for the big bottle of Gain Fabric Softener too if you would rather use that. And then grab 1 of the Airwick Oil Warmers. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.15 plus tax for a 52% off savings. Our next deal is an awesome one to stock up on a lot of laundry pods all at one time. So grab 1 bag of Tide Power Pods, 1 small bag of Gain Flings, a small bag of regular Tide Pods, and then 1 bottle of Nivea lotion. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.20 plus tax for a 56% off savings. That's a lot of laundry pods for such a cheap out of pocket. Now, if you're like me and you really want to stock up on the disinfecting wipes and the Lysol air sanitizers, especially with cold and flu season almost here, this is a fabulous deal for you to do because we have several relatively high value coupons to help lower our out of pocket. So for this deal, grab 2 tubs of the Clorox disinfecting wipes, 2 cans of the Lysol air sanitizers because we have 2 different coupons for them, and then grab 1 of the 35 count tubs of Lysol wipes. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.45 plus tax for a 55% off savings. If you were going to be hosting friends and family members in your house over the holidays this season and you want to stock up on air fresheners, I'm telling you, this is a fabulous time to do it. We have some seriously, amazingly high value air freshener coupons to help you to stock up. So for this deal, we're going to do exactly that. Grab 1 of the 2 count packs of Febreze plug-in refills, a single count pack of the Febreze plug-in refills, 2 Airwick oil warmers, and 1 single count pack of Febreze small spaces. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $6.15 plus tax for a fabulous, and you know I'm going to do it, 77% off savings. Oh yeah. I love this deal. This is definitely one of my favorites. Now, if you're still looking for even more Dollar General couponing deals to choose from, you're going to want to check out the comments down below or the video description. I always try to have the information in both places to make it a little bit easier to find for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, in case you didn't know, my Patreon page is where I post my complete Dollar General couponing deals list every week, amongst other awesome couponing goodies, because I often write so many more Dollar General couponing deals than I have time to format into YouTube deal videos as much as I really wish I could. Like on average, this list usually has anywhere from 100 to 140 couponing deals. Now, this deals list is an easy to download PDF file, meaning you can either download it to your smartphone, a tablet, or you can print off whatever section of deals you want, because I keep all the categories of couponing deals separated, and these are all major categories of things that you like to coupon and save for your family. We're talking gain deals, of course, because it's Dollar General and we love our gain deals, right? But there's also toilet paper deals and paper towels, cleaning supplies, laundry supplies, personal care products, Tide deals, diaper deals, cheap out-of-pocket deals list, and I even started recently including an essential items couponing deals list full of items that you never want to run out of for your family ever again. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. You cannot beat a 1-week free trial. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch today's deal video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up like button on today's deal video. I really appreciate it. It's a great way to support my work. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, show my channel a little bit of love, and join our LoveLiveSave couponing community. We would love to have you here. And a super important step, make sure you also click on that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. That way, whenever I post my future couponing deal videos, and like I said, I post 2 of them every day of the week, or when I do one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats that I will be returning to doing this week, I cannot wait. I really have missed doing them. You're going to receive a notification. You're going to be one of the first people to know when I post or when I go live, and you're not going to miss out. And I will see you in the next video.